Have you ever had your home broken into, then beat up, tied up, and taken hostage?
Well, me neither. But you should always be prepared for every situation. That's why today I'm going to be learning how to pick a lock and handcuffs.
The goal is to pick both using just paper clips and keep some in my wallet. If I were to forget or lose my keys, I can just pick the lock using paper clips.
First, let's start with the handcuffs. In a way, this is just a very simple lock.
Inside there's a lever with teeth called the lock bar that catches onto the cuff, which also has teeth. This forms a ratchet, makes the cuff open only one way. To open the lock, insert the key and turn it clockwise. This will push the lever down and disengage the teeth, allowing the cuffs to be open.
But there is one more thing.
Newer cuffs nowadays have a double lock, which prevents the lock bar from moving down when engaged. Right here is a little hole that you push in the pin on the key and it locks the handcuffs from moving at all. To unlock, you need to first turn the key counterclockwise to disengage the double lock before you can turn it clockwise to unlock the cuffs. So now that we understand the mechanics, let's give this a try.
Engage the double lock. Get out of here. Let's go. Oh, that's so awkward.
So after about 15 minutes, I gave up. My wrists were hurting from rubbing against the cuffs. I felt so restricted that it was even making me feel a little bit trapped and claustrophobic. The positioning of the hand was just so awkward that I feel like I couldn't get a good angle into the keyhole.
This is torture. Why did I toss the key away?
Sadly and shamefully, I have to get up and go get the keys because I just really couldn't unlock it.
I don't think the double lock is that possible. You're kind of fucked if you get the double lock. It's just so much harder to get out of.
Or maybe I just need a little practice.
Oh. Okay. Engage the double lock again. Am I ready to try this again?
And after much practice, I think I got the hang of it.
Okay. So, I think for the paper clip, you actually don't need to bend the top at all. Maybe a slight bend, but basically you want something that's very strong, like a strong paper clip. Like the smaller ones probably doesn't work as well. So you want something that's maybe a bit bigger and sturdy. And all you gotta do is actually going at an angle. Like go from, you see the keyhole is like going up like that. You don't wanna come up from the top down. You wanna go from the bottom to the top and then flick clockwise, pick clockwise downwards. The torque should pull the pin down. So something like this. So you want to insert it upright like this and then pick the pin at counterclockwise like that. And there you go. It's picked. All you need to do is get a little practice and it's pretty easy. Okay, now it's the real test. We're gonna put it on again, and I'm gonna try to pick it again with paper clips. So both double lock are engaged. You see they don't move. Get a fresh paper clip, bend one side out like this. Now you're gonna use this point as a pick. You don't really need to bend the top. Maybe a slight bend is okay, but you want the tip to be strong. And all you gotta do, like I said, insert it upwards like that. That was so easy. And same thing to the other side, so you want to insert it up. Actually for that one, I don't think you even need to do that. I'm not kidding. That was so much easier. Okay, let's forget the double lock for now and try to see how long it takes for me to get out of the cuffs without the double lock engaged. Thank God I bought a whole box of paper clips. Okay, this is without the double lock. Without the double lock, it literally takes a minute or less. So there is one last thing I wanted to do, and it is to tie the handcuffs behind my back and try to pick it that way. Oh my god, that was so easy. I guess without the double lock, it's really not that hard to pick the lock.